Welcome to Learning English with BodhiSutra. Our today's conversation is about salesman and customer buying a shirt. Let's take a look. Talking to salesman buying a shirt. Welcome, sir. How may I help you? Hi, I am looking for a shirt. Are you looking for a formal shirt? No, something I can wear casually. This way, sir. Here, this is our new collection. Can you show me something less bright? Definitely, sir. Would you like off-white and gray? No, something in blue, sky blue, or light brown. Here we are, sir. Would you like printed ones? Sure. I will check them out. Here, sir. This is our printed shirt collection. No. This one has very bold print. I don't want a beach shirt. I have some simpler ones too. Here they are. This one is good. Which one, sir? This light blue one? No, that pink one. Fine, sir. I'll put that in your shopping basket. Thanks. Do you have something in half sleeves? Yes, sir. This way, sir. Let me show you. This is good stuff. Yes, sir. Try this one. This one will look great on you. You think so? Definitely, sir. The color suits your personality. Let's take it out then. I will definitely try it. And so, this one too. Amazing color and design. Really? I think this will look horrible on me. Not at all, sir. You must try it. It is an amazing piece. Okay, let's put that aside as well. Great, sir. And sir, anything in t-shirts? I love t-shirts. Yes, let's check them out. Here, sir, this is a fresh stock. New designs too. This one looks nice. And so we have a discount scheme on this too. If you buy 2, you get 3. Fine. I will buy 2 shirts. Then you will give me a t-shirt free? No, sir. The buy 2 get 3 scheme is only on t-shirts. What do you mean? Sir, I mean that the discount scheme is available only on t-shirts. Oh, you mean I can't buy a mix of shirts and t-shirts and avail the scheme? No, sir. Any discount on the shirts I have bought? So they will apply it at the billing counter. Okay. Can I also get some socks? Yes, sir. This way, sir. We have very good cotton socks. Show me. This. Here, sir. 50% off on socks. These look good. Thanks. My pleasure, sir. You are a very good salesman. What's your name? Mahesh, sir. Nice meeting you, Mahesh. My pleasure, sir. See you around. Yes, sir. Right. So this was a conversation between a salesman and a customer. Hope this conversation was clear to you all. Until our next conversation, keep practicing and keep speaking in English. Until then, goodbye.